When you view a home, how do you know what you're looking at when it comes to the electrical system? Do you know the difference and what each implies? Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolph with Berkshire Hathaway Fox & Roach, and I am not an electrician, but I make it my business as a leading mainline buyer's agent and seller's agent to know my way around a circuit breaker panel. And so should you. And if you are considering buying or selling or investing in real estate, here's my crash course. Electricity in modern homes is provided via a circuit breaker panel. Typical service comes into the home at a 240V from the street, and it is split by the electricians into 110V and a 220V loops. 110V for your standard stuff, your lighting, your coffee pot, TV, etc. And 220V for more heavy duty stuff. Ovens, air conditioning, and dryers. The current throughout the home is typically rated between 100A and 200A, and you can usually tell by the main shutoff breaker. Think of amps like water flowing through a pipe. The higher the number, the more equipment can be powered. And older homes may be served by fuse panels or knob and tube wiring. And these are typically only rated to 60A of current. Both are safe yet pose their own hazards. Knob and tube wiring is ungrounded, meaning an electrical surge can raise the risk of fire, shock, or electrocution. Both limit the number of available circuits in the home, and with today's power-hungry society, you'll end up with overloaded circuits. In a fuse panel, this will result in blown fuses, and for knob and tube wiring, it will end up with hot, saggy wires, and if those wires are covered by insulation, there is an increased risk of fire. Homes served by fuse panels or knob and tube wiring will cost more to insure and will very likely reduce the number of insurers willing to provide coverage on the home. I know this was a lot to take in, but do not worry, this crash course and many more are available on my seminars on buying and selling or in my ebook, The Inside Info on Selling Your Home. All are absolutely free. I hope this was helpful, and reach out to us for your real estate needs. Kimmy Rolph sells the main line and local areas.